Welcome aboard Emirates Flight EK766, the golden bridge connecting Africa's economic heartland to the jewel of the Middle East. Flying from Johannesburg to Dubai International aboard Emirates flagship Boeing 737-300ER. This spectacular overnight journey spans 6,408 kilometers across the African continent and Arabian Peninsula, with a flight duration of exactly 8 hours. Operating 6 days a week with impressive reliability, this route showcases Emirates' commitment to African connectivity. Experience this magnificent intercontinental adventure with Wayvana, where every aviation journey becomes an unforgettable story.